In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy LinkedIn Premium. Whether you're looking to upgrade your professional network or take advantage of LinkedIn's exclusive features, this guide will walk you through all the steps necessary to enhance your LinkedIn experience with a premium subscription. Let's get started right away. First things first, head over to your browser and type in linkedin.com in the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. You can conveniently sign in with your Google or Microsoft account, or simply use your email address and password. Just enter your details and click the login button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn will prompt you to verify your account. This means you might receive a code on your phone to ensure it's really you trying to sign in. So keep your phone handy for a quick and seamless login experience. Now that you're signed in, at the very top of the page, you'll find the Me icon, which is essentially your profile picture. Click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage everything related to your LinkedIn account and tailor your settings to suit your needs. In the left pane of the settings page, you'll see an option labeled Account Preferences. Go ahead and click on that. It's where you'll find all your subscription options. Scroll down until you spot Subscriptions and Payments. Clicking here will take you to a new page that offers all the details regarding LinkedIn's premium services. Now, there are a couple of distinct scenarios. If you are not currently a premium member, you'll see an option to upgrade for free. Clicking this will allow you to explore LinkedIn's trial service without any immediate financial commitment. If you're already a premium user but wish to adjust your current plan, click on Switch Plans. This is your gateway to evaluating other premium options and possibly saving some money by downgrading if your needs have changed. LinkedIn will guide you through the various premium plans available, including Premium Career, Premium Business, Sales Navigator, or Recruiter Lite. Take your time and choose the plan that best fits your professional aspirations and budget. Once you've made your choice, click the Start My Free Month for a trial or the Upgrade plan if you're certain about a selection. Finally, input your credit card information or select an alternative payment method to finalize your subscription. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your upgrade. And if you opt for the free trial, LinkedIn usually offers a month of free access. Make sure to keep track of this trial period and remember to cancel before it expires to avoid being charged. And there you have it, an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy LinkedIn Premium and unlock a wealth of professional possibilities. Enjoy enhancing your LinkedIn journey and take full advantage of the features at your fingertips. Thanks for watching.